Here's how to convert JPEG to WEBP. So we're going to look at Convert Save, which is an app that I created. There's a link in the description, or you can go to convertsave.com. It's a drag and drop file converter. So all you have to do is drag your photos in. It does not upload or download anything. This works directly on your computer offline. Now we're going to hit select output, and we're going to grab that WebP format and then hit convert. It saves the files or photos, images, whatever, right next to where they originally came from. And this doesn't just convert images, it also converts audio and video. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer. We created this app and we've been working on it for a while, and we finally released it. It works on Windows and on Mac, and we're actually going to be adding a lot more advanced features soon, if they're not already out, because you might be watching this in the future when ConvertSave has a lot more functionality too. But right now, easily convert, drag, drop, select your format. There's tons of different formats. By the way, this video was JPEG, but it also works for JPG, either one of those JPEG file types. Hope you guys enjoy the app and you find it as a valuable utility for you. Let me know in the description, or not the description, let me know in the comments down below if you check it out. Appreciate you guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.